First, take out of all items from the package. The package includes 7-inch monitor, sunshade, U-shaped bracket Furrion camera, cigarette lighter adapter, extension power cord for camera, power cord for monitor, test cable, windshield bracket, antenna, other accessories. Attach one of the antennas to the monitor. Remove the protective film from the camera before use. Attach the other antenna to the camera. The camera can be flexibly adjusted in angle. Windshield bracket installation. Loosen the nut of the bracket. Flexible angle adjustment of the stand. After adjusting the angle, tighten the nut. Align the bracket with the holes on the back of the monitor and snap it into place. Tighten the nut. Place it on the dashboard or windshield. Pull up the exhaust buckle to secure the display. After adjusting the angle, tighten the nut. Now demonstrate how to install the U-bracket. Align the bracket screw holes with the holes on the side of the monitor. Secure the stand and monitor with nuts. You can refer to the video to operate. Flexible angle adjustment of the bracket. After adjusting the angle, tighten the nut. Connect one end of the two connectors of the test wire to the monitor. Connect the other end of the two connectors of the test wire to the camera. Connect the cigarette lighter adapter to the test wire. Plug the cigarette lighter into the cigarette lighter outlet. Press the red button. The red button lights up. The monitor lights up and the image appears on the screen. Testing completed. The easiest way is connect the monitor to cigarette lighter outlet. Plug the cigarette lighter adapter to the power outlet. Press the red button. The red button lights up. Camera connected to camera power cord. Ignore this step if installing on a Furrion RVs. The red wire is connected to the positive wire of the tail light running light. The white wire is connected to the negative of the tail light running light ground. The image appears on the screen. Touch the power button to turn off on the screen. Touch the C button to switch channels. Touch the menu key to enter the menu mode. The pairing icon is used for pairing signals. When the product has an image, it cannot enter pairing mode. Touch left or right button to switch to picture. Touch OK button to confirm. Touch left or right button to switch to brightness contrast HUE. Touch OK button to confirm. Touch left or right button to adjust the brightness contrast HUE. Touch OK button to confirm. Touch left or right button to switch to the flip. Touch OK button to confirm. Touch the left or right button to select image mode you need. Touch the menu key to return to the previous screen. Touch left or right button to switch to the mode. Touch OK button to confirm. Touch the left or right button to select the split mode you need, and touch OK button to enter the split setting interface. Touch the left or right button to select the camera channel you want to turn on, and touch OK button to confirm. You can turn on or off Auto Sense Signal Boost, Auto Loop Frame Flip, Auto Loop Time. Touch the menu key to return to the previous screen. Touch left or right button to switch to the Smart. Touch OK button to confirm. Touch the OK button to enter the blind zone selection. Touch left or right to select the arrow, and touch OK to adjust the marker position, as shown in the video. Select the center icon and touch the OK button to quickly return to the original state. Touch the menu key to return to the previous screen. Touch left or right button to switch to the set. Touch OK button to confirm. In this interface, you can turn on the BSD Enable Alarm sound marker of the corresponding channel, or adjust the sensitivity. However, if you turn on BSD Enable and the alarm tone, an alarm will sound when the screen detects a person. If only the BSD Enable function is started, there will only be a screen alert, not an audible alert. Touch left or right button to switch to the recording. Touch OK button to confirm. Settings inside the interface: recording switch, loop video, format SD card memory. Touch the menu key to return to the previous screen. Touch left or right button to switch to the system. Touch OK button to confirm. Press the OK button to enter to System Function interface. Touch left or right button to adjust the year. Touch OK to switch to month. Adjust month, day, hour, minute in sequence. Touch left or right button to switch to the volume setting. Touch OK button to confirm. Touch left or right button to adjust the volume of alarms. Touch OK button to confirm. Touch left or right button to switch to the language setting. Touch OK button to confirm. Touch left or right button to choose the language you need. Touch OK button to confirm. Touch left or right button to switch to the trigger delay. Touch OK button to confirm. Touch left or right button to adjust the trigger delay. Touch OK button to confirm. Touch left or right button to switch to the factory setting. Touch OK button to confirm. When you turn on the factory settings function, the system will automatically revert to factory settings. If you accidentally turn this on and lose signal afterward, you can refer to this video for pairing. Touch the CH button to switch to the channel you want to pair with. Touch the menu key to enter the menu mode. Touch the OK button to enter the pairing countdown. The image appears in the screen, indicating successful pairing. Loosen the screws and remove the back cover. Insert SD card. Cover the rear cover and tighten the screws. Power on the monitor. After inserting the SD card, the blue icon appears on the screen. Touch the menu key to enter the menu mode. Touch left or right button to switch to the playback. Touch OK button to confirm. You can select the CH1, CH2, CH3 and CH4 video files by press the left or right button on the video screen. Enter the video playback screen. Press the CH key to play the video fast forward or delete the file. Touch the menu key to exit the menu mode.